People often try to find a hobby that they thoroughly enjoy in life, and sometimes they find it and sometimes they don't. I was fortunate enough to find mine in my grandma and grandpa's basement. What I found was my mom's old guitar that she had bought when she was a teenager. And I'd always wanted to learn how to play, especially after I figured out that my family members on my mom's side were musically inclined. I had a great grandpa that used to play banjo, and then a couple of them sang, and it was rumored that I had a great grandma that used to play the fiddle, so I'd always been interested in wanting to learn how to play anyhow. And so this was kind of like a gesture to me to play. And I got it, and I took her to my local music shop, and I put new strings on it, and I kind of bought me a book, and I started learning how to play. And I did almost give up because if you've ever played guitar before or heard anybody play it, you got it hurts your fingers, cuts into your fingers. And but I finally developed my calluses, and I was able to overcome that and start playing it, and it became more enjoyable to me. After I had played for several years, my house had burned and I got my guitar destroyed. And so then I had to go on the track to find a new one. And I think whenever I went to go try to find my new guitar, that this made me even more inclined to play, and it made me more attached to my guitar and the music that I was playing. And I finally settled on a Morgan Monroe guitar, and I've been playing it ever since. And with my mom and my family, they like bluegrass, and I got introduced into it, and I started picking up some bluegrass, and I started broadening out my horizons on my instruments, and I actually picked up a banjo and a mandolin, and I started playing more bluegrass stuff. And I had a friend that I played with that we used to go camping with, and we played here and there, and I just thoroughly enjoyed it ever since. Obviously, I play bluegrass mostly, but I like to play my country guitar a little bit, and I play some rock and roll here and there. Whenever I play, I just feel, I kind of get lost in whatever I'm playing, and I just really enjoy, I just really enjoy it all the way around. I just hope that with me finding whenever I found my hobby and I started playing and I thoroughly enjoyed it, it made me hope that every one of my classmates that are in the class and everyone else that I come in contact with are able to find their own hobby that they like doing, whether it's playing guitar or hiking or fishing or hunting or whatever it is they want to do. So I just hope they all learn how to find their hobby like I found mine.